Thermo Fisher is dedicated to serving science. And the way that we serve is through investment strategically in our facilities, in our talent, in our people, and the tools that we use to better serve our customers. We are here today to really mark the major milestone of our growth strategy here in Grand Island. It's really about us optimizing the network of capacity that we have around the globe to serve our customers better. With better lead times and better assurance of supply. The products that are made right here at Grand Island are critical raw materials to 250 commercial biologic therapeutics that are on the market today serving patients. This expansion today will assist our customers in bringing those new biologics to market.